Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to cut a flounce. Yes. So when cutting your flounce, you have to have your piece of fabric you want to use. In case you'll be lining it, you can also place the lining under your fabric. You place it under also and make it straight like this, and you place this on it so you can cut them together. So I'll be showing us the process for cutting a flounce. I'll be showing us two types. This is the first type I'll be showing us. So you have to get the midpoint of your fabric first. I've actually done that using my iron. I folded it and I got the midpoint. You can also do that by measuring your fabric. Measure it, measure the midpoint, measure this side also, measure midpoint. Then you rule a straight line to get this center. So I'll still be ruling a straight line for us to see my midpoint very well. So this is my midpoint. Yeah, I'll be measuring 2 inches. I just want to get a circle. Two inches on the 4 lines, and I'll connect them. Let's get the circle. Okay, so I'll select any part here from these 4 lines where I want to start my flounce from. So also the wideness of my flounce actually depends on what I actually want to use it for, the style I want to use it for, or where I want to sew it on. And also when you're measuring the wideness, always consider to add your allowances for turning with your lining and for also joining to your main fabric. So assuming I want the wideness of my flounce to be 3 inches, I have to add 1 inch to it, so that 1 inch will stand for my turning with lining and 1 inch will stand for my sewing to my main fabric. So that means I'll be using 4 inches. So I'll be measuring 4 inches from here to this place. 4 inches. So I'll be connecting this one to this place like this. I hope you can see this. Looks like number 9. Hope you can see this. So continue like this. I'll be measuring round. Measurement will go round like that. So I'll be measuring 4 inches round. 4 inches. So you keep going till you actually exhaust your fabric. So I think I'll be stopping here. So this is the first one. I'll be cutting it out now. So I've cut out my excess out. This is my excess and this is my main flounce. So we'll cut out the flounce now. So, and see, this is it. So this can be pleated. You can use it with any design on the side of your skirt, on your waist, for sleeves, different designs actually, different designs. So that's that. Also, you can also use a small crinoline and sew it at the edge to make it more wavy. So this is my midpoint. Let me get a circle. I'm measuring 1 inch to get a circle. So I'll be using 2 inches first. So I'll measure from here to here 2 inch. So I'm connecting from here to this place for my 2 inch. So I'm measuring 2 inch round. So I'm increasing it. I'll be increasing to either 3 inches, 4 inches, depending on how wide I want it. So I'll be changing now to what, 3 inches. So yeah, I can change it to the widest I want. So ensure that the widest parts you're getting here, you can get it on all 4 sides. So measure your fabric first to get that. Okay, so I think I can use 5 inches. So I'm using 5 inches. For this one, I'll be increasing it gradually. Remember, I'm using 3 inches. Yes, so I'll be increasing it gradually to meet up with the 5 inch. So I'm using 5 inches now, round. So this is what my fabric can take. So I'll be cutting it out now for you to see. So you can see this place is wide. So this place. Can you see this? So you can use this to create the style you want. Let's see. So that's that.